How can the power of suggestion change your life? In this video, I will teach you how you can use the power of suggestion to make all your dreams come true. It all starts with your mindset. Then it can be supported with hard work and patience. Please watch the entire video to learn more. The power of suggestion is one of those things that you never really think about until it happens to you. It's a little like being hit by lightning or having an out-of-body experience. You don't have time to think about what happened because it just happens. But once it does happen, you realize how powerful it was and how much it changed your life. The power of suggestion is not something that only works on others. It also works on you. If you are open to it, if you learn to be receptive to it, you can also use this power over yourself. This is called the law of attraction. Your thoughts become things. Your emotions become things. Your subconscious mind becomes things. And when you start believing in the law of attraction, the possibilities for amazing things will begin happening to you. I will give you some suggestions that will help you get started with using the law of attraction today. First of all, know that everything you focus on expands. So if you want to attract more money into your life, you need to start thinking about attracting more money. If you want to attract love into your life, then start focusing on loving people instead of being angry at them. The key here is to switch from negative to positive. Here are 5 tips to help you start using the law of attraction now. 1. Be open. Get out of your head and into your heart. You allow the universe to flow through you rather than around you when you do this. You allow the universal energies to work through you and come back to you by doing this. 2. Visualize. See yourself already living your dream life. Feel the feelings associated with being successful. Hear the sounds of silence while surrounded by loved ones. When you visualize, you put yourself in the position to receive. This position allows the energy to return to you and manifest itself into reality. 3. Believe. Your belief system is the most important aspect of using the law of attraction. Whether you believe that you can achieve anything or nothing at all, your beliefs affect every area of your life. If you believe that you can make money, you will find ways to make money. If you believe that nothing good will ever happen to you, then you will never create abundance. So take some time to write down your goals and dreams. Then write down why you cannot achieve these goals and dreams. Finally, rewrite your list, but this time add the reason why you can reach them. 4. Expect abundance. Whatever you expect, you will always get. If you tell yourself that you expect nothing to change, nothing will change. If you expect to lose weight, you will lose weight. If you expect to fail, you will fail. If you expect to succeed, you will succeed. I can go on and on this, but I know you get what I mean. There's an abundance of blessings around you. It will not run out. Keep a positive mindset. 5. Ask for help. We are all connected. When you ask someone for help, they may not know exactly what to say or do. They might offer advice or guidance, or they might send their blessings and prayers along with you. Either way, asking for help is a sign of humility and strength. You allow others to see who you really are and let the energy outside flow into you. Other people can become vessels in making your dreams come true, so never ever close your doors. You have probably heard many stories about how people use the law of attraction to achieve great success. Some famous examples include Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, Michael Jordan, Walt Disney, etc. These stories remind us that we can achieve whatever we desire if we consistently practice the law of attraction. In fact, according to numerous studies, 97% of people who regularly use the law of attraction experience positive results. Remember that there is nothing to lose and more to gain when you try the law of attraction. Give it a try and see how it can change your life. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.